In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist template and task template in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a team project, organizing your personal tasks, or setting up repeatable workflows, checklists and templates can save you time and ensure nothing important gets overlooked. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to create and save both checklist templates and task templates in ClickUp so you can streamline your processes and get more done. Let's get started. First, open the task in ClickUp where you want to add a checklist. Once the task is open, scroll down to the area below the description in the task details. This is where you'll find the option to create a new checklist. Look for the Create Checklist button and click it to begin. The next step is to rename your checklist. By default, ClickUp will give it a generic name, but you can make it more meaningful by clicking on the default name and typing in a title that reflects the purpose of the checklist. For example, if this checklist is for a content review process, you can name it something like Content Review Steps. Now that you've renamed the checklist, it's time to start adding individual items. Click into the checklist field, and for each step or requirement for the task, enter it as a separate checklist item. This ensures that every detail is accounted for, and your checklist is easy to follow. Take your time to write clear and concise steps so there's no confusion about what needs to be done. If you're working with a team, you can assign responsibility for each checklist item. To do this, click the assignment option next to an item and select the team member who will be responsible for completing it. Assigning tasks to specific people helps keep everyone accountable and ensures that each step is completed by the right person. Once your checklist is complete, you might want to save it as a template for future use. To do this, click the three dots at the top right corner of the checklist from the drop-down menu. Select Save as Template. A window will pop up asking you to name your checklist template. Choose a descriptive name that will help you identify it later, and then click Save Template. But we're not done yet. You can take things a step further by saving the entire task as a template. This can be extremely useful if the task as a whole will need to be reused in the future. To do this, click the three dots at the top of the task window. From the menu, select Template and then Save as Template. Just like before, you'll be asked to enter a name for the template. Once you typed in something descriptive, click Save Template, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully created a checklist template and a task template in ClickUp. By using these templates, you can save time, maintain consistency, and make your workflows more efficient. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your work today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.